Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss the problem first from the latest question from the CodeChef problem set August Cook-Off 2020. Okay, so the question name is chef and work. So your chef has n boxes arranged on a line from 1 till n, and now for each of the valid I for every point on this number line you have a weight of box which is wi. So for every point there is a box there which has a weight of wi. Chef wants to bring all of them to this home which is at the 0th position. So there is a number line and this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and there are some boxes here which has weight w1, w2, w3, and you have to bring all of them to this 0th point. Now he can hold any number of boxes at the same time. However, the total weight of the boxes he is holding should not exceed k at any time. Okay, so he can, you are given the weight, he should not exceed k, but he can hold less than k at any number of time. He will pick these boxes and then come at the home and then again go and pick up the boxes. So what this means that the total maximum is k now. So he can start from here, pick up this w box. If this weight is less than k, he will pick this up and go on further. Now if he will come to w2, if he can pick w2 also and it is less than k, he will pick w2. Now he will come to w3. Now he is seeing that w3 is he cannot take w3 with this k because the weight of all these three is greater than k. So what he'll do, he will not pick up w3, he will go back, place these two boxes here, and now he will again come back, now take w3 and w4 and so on. Now there can be a case such that this w is larger than k itself. So let's k is equal to 100. I can lift a box of weight 100, but w is 200. So no matter how many times I iterate over this, I cannot weight or cannot lift a box of 200. So this is impossible. But if it's 100 and I have weighted or I have taken boxes 50-50, then I cannot take this box again 50. So I have to take this box, go back, then again come back, take, now I am empty, so I will take this 100 box and I will there is no further, so take it out and back. So how many trips I will do? I will take 2 trips. So I have to find out how many trips are there. So the simple iteration can be, I will iterate over from left to right and keep picking up boxes till I cannot further take more box. If I cannot take more boxes, then I will only put this subset and mark it as one iteration, and now again keep on adding from this point. But if at any point w becomes greater than, it is greater than the k itself, then the answer is impossible. So that's the whole logic. It's a very simple problem. Let's move on to the implementation. So what you can do here is take the input of n and k, the weights, take the input of weights, total and trip, how many trips will do, and the total amount of weight I can lift. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll iterate over from left to right. We will check that if wi becomes greater than k, if at any point the weight of the box at the ith point is greater than k, then it is impossible that I cannot even lift this. Now we will check that because total is the total amount till now at this point. Now can I add the with weight to this total such that I can lift it? If this adding this wi to total is less than equal to k, then yes, I am fine, I can even take this wi to this total. If adding this wi will over exceed k such that I have to this trip is completed, take all these total back to our home, so trip will increase because now I've done one trip, and now I will take this wi alone because now I have taken the trip and now I've come back, take this wi alone, and I will move further. Okay, because wi itself is it is small, because if it is larger than k, it will come out of this loop here only, but which means that it is not over exceeding k, but if we add it to total, then it will exceed. So total is filled now, it is adding this will become larger than k. So first take this total back to our home and then come back and now take this wi because now wi can be easily lifted up, so take this total as wi and go on. Now because in the end what I have seen that if all w's are less than, so let's assume that this is 20, 20 and 20, and then our k is 100. So I will iterate over from left to right. So it is inside, okay, I can lift this, I can lift this, I can lift this. So it is 60. So then our loop will terminate. So what we can see that after doing through all this iteration, I have to now go back, complete this trip. So we have to add one also. So after doing all this, we have to add one to our trip and just output the trip. That's the whole logic for this question. I hope you understand the logic as well as the code. Still have any doubts, please mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.